Good morning, good night, good evening, wherever you guys are. Thank you for joining us. Now, you probably read the title. I broke the diff and I've taken it back to Dave at Mr. Transmission. So he's the one who built the diff for me. So it seems to all be under warranty. So we're basically going to check out what happened to the diff center. And yeah, so I guess I actually paid extra money for him to get it, even though he said I could get it cheaper online. But I was like, you get it just in case if something happens. So I guess this is probably one of the good reasons is to buy things through someone so you can keep your warranty. So I didn't think this would break at no point, but it has. So it's good that he did it and he sorted us out in time. What's it now? Thursday. So literally dropped to him Monday, and Thursday he's already sorted it. So we're actually going to pick it up right now and we'll do a little check on what's actually happened to it. So we'll get it moving. Here it is. So yeah, these guys, Mr. Transmissions. If you're on the Gold Coast, need diffs or gearboxes, he is the man. He'll sort you out. Alright, so I just spoke with Dave. We can't actually look at the center at this point in time because you can't actually see much into the center, but it's got to go for warranty. So the people who supplied the part are sorting Dave out, which is good. So that's really good on their behalf. So I don't even know the brand. So once I find out some more stuff, I kind of just got Dave get me a True Track thing and put it in and let's make a diff, and that's what happened. So but they're covering the warranty, which is great. So sorting you out, keeping us particularly out of it's been a bit of a rough start of the year expense wise. So the diff's back and we're going to chuck it in the car. I'll add some more stuff to it, but yeah, weird, but it's good. So thanks Dave for sorting the diff out, and I'll keep going. So if you guys need any diff stuff, he's your man for that sort of stuff. So again, once again, Mr. Transmissions. Alrighty, so the new diff went in, we tested it at Archie. It's actually feeling a lot better than it was. So I dare say there was something not quite right with the diff initially. So the 308s are back out on the floor. Don't need it, and yeah, it feels good. Feels good again. Even just like a little test in the car park in the rain, it seems to be biting a whole lot better. So I guess once we find out with the warranty thing, and then I'll be able to talk about it a little bit more. But that is it for now, just a short one. Main video will be on Wednesday, so just want to give you a little bit of update for that instead of squeezing it all in one video. So once we know, then I'll let everyone know kind of what diff it was. Yeah. So we always want to test and find out what, especially new products. I've never used it before, so I don't want to advise it to people if I don't even know how good it is. So hope that will be helpful for you guys. But yes, 308s are out.